Hey, my name is Caroline and I'm the Senior Messaging Strategist here at Shaw Marketing Pros. If you take one piece of advice from us, let it be that you always know who has access to your Facebook page. You'll know if you have access because you're able to make posts or make edits to the page. And you can check that you have access by either swapping into the page if you have the new page experience and visiting the professional dashboard, or going straight to your settings if you visit the page elsewhere and you don't swap into it. From there, I'd suggest removing anybody who doesn't work in your shop or on your marketing team anymore, and adding a couple people who do work in your shop or your team, your husband, wife, a trusted employee, anything like that, so that if you ever happen to get locked out of your page, somebody else still has access. But if you want the pro tip from the pros, the best thing to do would be to set up a business manager in the Meta Business Suite and connect your Facebook, Instagram, and your ad accounts there. You can also add your team members there, and it makes it really easy for everybody to gauge their access, and also to allow marketing companies or anybody else who may need access to the page to easily hop in and out of that access, and you get to control it all.